from Hudson Valley Bookkeeping, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to post multiple payments into one batch deposit so that it correlates to what is shown on your bank statement. All right, let's get started. Okay, guys, now I'm going to teach you how to receive a payment on an invoice you made for a tenant. All right, so let's go over here to our tenants. I'm clicking sales. I'm clicking tenants. Let's find some people that owe. Okay, so here's a corner deli, they owe. I just clicked receive payment. I'm picking the date. You can pick if they paid you cash or check, you drop it down here. And we're gonna deposit this not straight to your bank account because this is gonna go into something for batch depositing. So we're gonna go down here to payments to deposit, formerly called undeposited funds. Okay, so then I'm gonna say save and close. So that's step one in receiving payments. I will do one more, just if you don't have bulk deposits, you are going to receive the payment and put it directly into your bank account. Here's one scenario where that would be, is if you are using remote check deposit on your phone. You can only do one at a time. So you're gonna have, like, if you have 5 units, you could have like 5 remote check deposits. That's this scenario. So you're gonna say tenants. Here's someone else who owes. We're going to receive the payment. And this time I'm going to pick the bank account. So I'm going to say Chase checking. That will take it and put it directly into the bank. I'll show you what that is. So if we go over here, get really familiar with your chart of accounts. We're going to go to our check register here. I think I just deposited $3,200 right here. There it is. Okay, guys, I have posted how to receive payments, but there is the problem what if you have 5 to 10 checks from a tenant, multiple tenants, and you're gonna make one deposit at the bank, which we call like a batch deposit. Okay, so let's just see. I'm gonna post one more payment so I have multiple. So first step, you have to, to create a batch deposit, you need to receive payments. So I've got some open invoices here. So I'm in the tenant section. I'm going to click receive payment. I'm going to choose whatever place they paid, but this is the key, guys. You're going to switch this deposit to, and you're going to make it to payments to deposit, formerly called undeposited funds. Save and close. And let's just receive one more. Let's say they paid cash. Now look right here, it says payments to deposit. Okay, so where did those go? This is where you will make a mistake. You're gonna post them all to payments deposit, and then you're gonna move on. And then you're gonna go into your bank feed and start adding them there and double your income. Don't do that. If you're invoicing in QuickBooks, you should not be using the bank feed, in my opinion, for posting. Only post your expenses through that bank feed, because you will start posting straight into the bank feed to rental income, to the unit, and then you're going to have all kinds of money sitting in this magical place called payments to deposit. So click new, click bank deposit, and voila, here are 3 of these. But I bet you have already done this. You saw a deposit at your bank for that amount, which was 3 of them, and you added it. And these were sitting in payments to deposit. Don't do it. You're going to click them here. It's going to make a deposit of $5,350, which is what your bank is going to say. Totally different than if you do a remote check deposit. Remote check deposit, deposit them straight to your checking account. Okay, what did that do? I really want you guys to get good at going to your chart of accounts. There it is. And this is another thing. Go and check your check register. Look at what you're doing. Don't just click. Don't sleep bookkeep is what I say. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. I specialize in QuickBooks lessons for real estate investors. If you are interested in that, please email hello@hvbookkeeping.com. All right, have a great day.